good afternoon, my people, and welcome back to this beautiful channel where we grow and glow. It's your girl, Caro NG here, and today I want you to spend a busy working day with me. I'm going to be doing so much today, and I thought I should tag you along just to motivate someone. Yep. So I begin working days with a lot of work in the morning because I have to prepare some lunch for my daughter, and I've already done that. I'm actually taking her to the daycare. Then I will come pick my bag and go for work. I'm already dressed up, as you can see. So spend this day with me. And I told you, in case you require a business till number or a pay bill, you can reach me out. I normally give it for free. The only thing that you require to meet are the requirements. Then I'll organize how you're going to get the stickers and the pay bill. So let's go, guys. So those who've ever taken their children to the daycare can relate. This is how it is usually. You can either take them to that one that provide lunch and or that one that you normally carry your own. So wherever I drop my daughter, they normally carry their own lunch. So I've prepared her lunch here. I've also prepared her some two fruits and some milk. I normally put porridge, but today I didn't cook porridge, so I had to substitute it with milk. So the reason it's here, I was just heating it because it was from the fridge. So I'll go drop her to school. Then, yes, she calls it school to the daycare. Then I'll come back and pick my bag. Ndio niende kazi. I've already cleaned my utensils. As you can see, I love leaving my house very clean because at times I come home feeling very tired and I'm not usually able to do anything. So actually today is the only day that I've not cooked a lot of food. I normally cook a lot of food while preparing her so that we can have it for supper, but today I didn't because I want us to prepare something different in the evening. So I'll also be passing by in the market. I have very little left. You can see my fruits are gone. I have a few. I only have 3 tomatoes left, so I'll be passing by the market and I'll come with several things. We are going to do this together today. You are going to spend my working day with me. See how busy I'm usually. And I know most of you can relate how it is usually. Hi to people. Salimia watu. Unaenda wapi? Shule. Yeah, that's her. She calls the daycare school. So let's go, guys. After a long day from work, I passed by the marketplace just to pick the things that were out of stock in the house. This was inclusive of maize for making githeri, what do we call them, tomatoes, and also onions, and several few items. So guys, I had promised to pass by the market and I managed to buy several things. And from the previous haul, I feel like except the cereals, these other things were very, very cheap and I really appreciate that. So I'll take you through as I tell you the prices and maybe you can compare to your marketplace and see if ours is better. So the first thing I bought are maize. These ones are going for tatumbao. I normally prefer getting them this way because it's easy for me to know if they are soft enough. I love soft ones where I don't love too soft ones and too hard ones. That's why I decided to buy them this way. So I'll be cooking them tomorrow. So I also bought onions. These onions only costed me 100 shillings, as many as they are. They should be more than 20 pieces. Ni mingi sana. So I also bought tomatoes. I love my tomatoes this way because nikikuja nazo sitangojea ziive. I'll just put them directly to the fridge after washing them. So these ones costed 80 shillings, as many as they are, and they are looking very, very beautiful. The other thing I bought are danias. These ones were going for 3 at 10 shillings, 3 pieces at 10 shillings. Zimefungwa na bunches. Let me show you. There are 3 bunches, so I bought them all at 10 shillings. I also bought something that I want to try. Inaitwa Royco. I'm not sure about it. I've never cooked it before, but I'm going to try it out. So I also bought some fruits, and bananas is a must in my house. So I bought just a few of them. I also bought, so these ones were going for tatumbao. These ones were a bit expensive because hizi sijabai kwa market because niliona zitafinywa na my things, so I've just bought them outside here. The other things I bought, I also bought some avocados. They were going 3 at 20 shillings. They are hash avocados and I really love them. Pixel are going out of seasons. Unlike what we used to get before, 1 at 10 shillings, 1 at 5 shillings. So I bought these ones, at 10 shillings each. So I bought for around 10 pieces at 50 bob. I also added a few tomato fruits because I have a few left. I think zingine ziko huku ndani. So I'm going to sort them out. So I also added in some few apples. I normally have a problem with my teeth, so it's only my baby who eats them. That's why I just did 3. And finally, I bought cereals, though not so much. I just bought them in halves. And there's something new I want to try out. I want to try green beans. Yeah, they were part of them. Ziko wapi? Yeah, here they are. There's someone who told us that they are very sweet with rice. I want to try them. I'm going to cook them over the weekend and see how it will go. So I bought the green beans. I'm so used to yellow beans, by the way. Green beans. I also bought black beans, also called jahe. Nimekaa sana bila kuzikula. I also bought some lentils. Here are the lentils, sorry. Lentils, and finally I did mbaazi. I don't know their English name, so I'll be using them for preparing mokimo. So guys, that's what I've managed to get from the market. I believe these ones will take me for about 2 weeks before going for others. Yeah, so the prices are good in Githurai. That I got all this from the Githurai market, and especially the tomatoes and onions have some very, very good price. You can check out there if you normally live along Thika Road. For the cereals, you can try getting them. Uko kwenye we get the maize, we have wholesale cereal shops that sell cereals to wholesalers and retailers the same price. You can check out there. So that was it about the market and the groceries that I managed to buy. So let's prepare our supper together, then we will call it a day. So guys, today I'll be preparing chicken for supper. And there's something I got from it. Guy, this one. These are eggs. Me, I can't eat them. Or do you guys eat them? Me siwezi. I can't. So, it's too much. I've realized imekuwa mingi. So, I'm going to boil it. Then I'm going to divide it into 2. Because we are only 2 in the house in the time being. So I'll just cook it, divide it into 2, then I'll freeze some. Tutakula pole pole. So guys, let's do the cooking. I'll not give a detailed video on the same, but because I have done in my videos how I normally prepare my chicken, but this time round I've not done a kienyeji chicken. This is broiler. So guys, let's do it. This is supper time. Let's make our chicken. I will bring my chicken to a boil until it dries, and after which I'm going to divide it into 2. guys, our supper is ready and karibuni sana. We are taking vegetable rice, some cabbage, steamed cabbage, and our chicken. Yeah, I hope you are going to enjoy. Yes, of course, we will enjoy it. Mama, ambia watu hi. Hi guys. Ambia karibu supper. Karibu. Supper. Supper. So guys, we let's take our supper as I prepare to wind up this video. I'll finish up this vlog by folding my clothes. I had washed clothes yesterday. And it is usually very, very fair. If you don't like folding clothes, just make sure you fold them immediately after getting them from the lines. And that's why I've decided to fold them right now because I don't want them to interrupt my tomorrow. So let's finish up this. Then I'm going to go retire to bed. I'm feeling very, very tired. So I'm already feeling very exhausted. Actually, I wanted to finish up some office work, lakini I can't. My body imekata, so I just need to sleep. Whatever is left will be done tomorrow. Tomorrow is still another day. So guys, in case you're new to this vlog, sorry, not even vlog, I'm even confused. In case you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you can always be the first to see. Bye bye guys, aki nimechoka, bye.